Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to delete Snapchat account. So first you need to open your Snapchat and log in. After that, tap your profile at the upper left corner and then tap the settings at the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see I need help and tap it. Then after you do that, tap search and then type in delete account, and you can see now how do I delete my Snapchat account. Tap it. You can now see the portal how do I delete my Snapchat account. Scroll down until you see accounts portal. So you can type your username and password for that account, and after that it will be deactivate first within 30 days. If you will not log in again to your Snapchat account, after 60 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So to proceed, tap accounts portal and then type in your username and password, then tap continue. So that's how to delete your account on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.